Don't rush your growth, trust your timing. You'll notice that in life, people move at different speeds. Some seem to achieve everything early: money, success, recognition. Others take longer, stumbling and figuring things out bit by bit. But the truth is, your value doesn't depend on how fast you move. It depends on how true you stay to your path. Life isn't a race. It's more like a garden. Some plants bloom in spring, others in summer. You can't force a seed to grow by yelling at it. It just needs time, care, and light. The same goes for you. So don't compare yourself to others. Instead, keep learning, keep moving, and keep showing up even when no one notices. Because growth that happens quietly often becomes the most uncheckable. When it's your season, you'll bloom, and all that patience, pain, and perseverance will finally make sense.